Alright guys, today we're going to change this carburetor out, see if we can't get this thing to run under its own power properly. I was running the plasma cutter off of it a week or so ago and it would just stall and die. You have to run it about half choke, and I know you can clean them out, but it's a whole lot faster and easier just to put a whole new carburetor on it, so that's what we're doing. eBay special here. Okay, with a free pocket knife. Not really. too small. Stubby to tighten that. Too big. Alright, we got to get some more line. Let's get the spark plug out. Plug wire don't look too good, but it'll be fine. That's just the shield over. It's not the actual wire that's cracked. Not too bad. Much better though. Should we gap it? Nah. Okay. So we're gonna hook the plasma cutter up to it because I've got to saddle some more pipes for this section and the third section, and it'll do it. It'll run my plasma cutter. But what was happening is it would cut a little ways, bog down, cut a little way, bog down, cut a little way, bog down. So we're gonna see if it'll cut all the way around. All right. Come on, Meg. There we go. All right, so the new carburetor worked. It won't die now. It actually stays running. I even cut intentionally slow to see if it would die, and it didn't. So we're ready to go. It just kind of sucks. I got to run the plasma cutter off of that machine, but the air compressor off of here. Where my old Lincoln, I could run everything off the same welder because it was like 10,000 watts. But it is what it is. It's got a little 220 twist lock plug, but I think it's only rated at 25 amp, where that plasma cutter is 30 amp. And even if that was rated at 30, it'd be pushing it, kind of like this thing. But I don't care if I burn that up. I do care if I burn that up. So, hope you all enjoyed the video. We're going to be doing some more soon when I finish building these. Now, granted, like I said in another video, these are walls not for this building. Those are going to be just a separate 24 by 24 building out here on skids that I can literally move wherever I need to work under. It'll have 3 walls and a roof. For now, it'll be just a roof. It'll have the walls with no sheet metal on them. Eventually, it'll have all 3 walls, maybe even all 4, with a door and a roof. But once this building's up, I'll put it on one side or the other. I don't know. Well, this is going to be the open side, so it'll have to be over there or over there. And that will be just a little lean-to to store stuff. So, thank y'all for watching, and we will see y'all in the next one. Later.